Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine being able to create effortless, voluminous waves that scream Beachy Boho one day and Hollywood Glam the next. That's exactly what the Aria Beauty The Waver promises to deliver. This isn't just another curling tool. It's a versatile, professional-grade styler designed to transform your hair into waves that make a statement. Let's dive into the details and see if this tool lives up to the hype. The Aria Beauty The Waver is a hair curling tool that boasts a few standout features. It's designed with 3 ceramic barrels, which are key to delivering that perfect wave. Ceramic is fantastic because it distributes heat evenly, minimizing the risk of damage while ensuring your curls come out smooth and shiny. The tool has an adjustable temperature setting, going up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full control over your styling, whether you're working with fine strands or thicker, coarser hair. One of the things that sets the waver apart is the LCD display. It's a simple yet thoughtful touch, allowing you to clearly see and adjust the temperature with ease. Plus, the auto shut-off function gives you peace of mind, especially useful for those of us who sometimes forget to turn things off. In terms of real-world use, incorporating the waver into my beauty routine was seamless. The tool heats up quickly, which is always a plus for those busy mornings when time is tight. As for the actual styling, the triple barrel design was a game changer for me. It's easy to get the hang of, even if you're new to waver tools. The barrels glide smoothly through the hair, creating bouncy, voluminous waves that hold up well throughout the day. I've used it both on damp and dry hair, and it's performed equally well in both situations. There are a few things to note about the overall experience. First, while the tool heats up quickly, I did find that it gets quite hot, especially at the highest setting, so it's essential to handle it carefully, particularly when styling near your scalp. The size of the barrels is also something to consider. While I love the volume it creates, those with shorter hair might find it a bit tricky to achieve the same defined waves as someone with medium to long hair. So, it's worth keeping that in mind depending on your hair length. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the temperature control is fantastic, offering versatility for all hair types. The ceramic barrels ensure smooth curls without frizz, and the design itself is sleek and easy to handle. But on the flip side, the tool is relatively heavy compared to some other curling irons, which may make it a bit more tiring to hold during extended styling sessions. Also, while the waves last, they aren't always as defined as you might get from a traditional curling iron, especially if you prefer tight curls. When it comes to value for money, the Aria Beauty The Waver falls into the mid-range price category. Considering the quality of the ceramic barrels, the adjustable temperature, and the overall design, I think the price is justified, especially if you're someone who regularly styles your hair with waves and wants a tool that offers precision without damaging your locks. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, tools like the Conair double ceramic 3-barrel waver offer a similar design and features at a lower price point. However, the Aria Beauty model does offer superior heat control and a more durable build. The build quality of the waver is solid, with the ceramic coating feeling smooth and well-made. The LCD screen is a nice addition, providing clear visibility of your temperature settings. In terms of longevity, the tool feels durable and sturdy, and I expect it to last for quite a while if treated with care. Although I didn't have a direct experience with Aria Beauty's customer service, they've built a strong reputation in the beauty tool market, known for their responsive and helpful support should any issues arise. To sum it all up, the waver delivers on its promise of creating voluminous, wavy curls, thanks to its even heat distribution and triple barrel design. It's ideal for anyone who wants to add a bit of extra glam or effortless beach waves to their hair routine. While it may not be for those with very short hair or those who prefer tighter curls, it's an excellent choice for medium to long hair and anyone looking for a tool that combines style and functionality. If this review helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to support more honest reviews like this one. And hey, if you've used the waver or any similar tools, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.